just at work. Ain't no customers up in
Excuse
here.
me, can I use your bathroom, please?
Sorry, we don't have a public restroom.
I'll just buy some.
Girl, some girl just don't come in here asking
Here.
to use the bathroom.
Can I buy this?
Okay, sure. That'll be $5.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I help you?
I already bought something. I need to use the bathroom.
I said employees only. Only. Everything looks great. You're hired. When can you start?
Now. Right now.
Okay, cool.
Can I use the bathroom real quick?
Yeah, go ahead, girl.
Okay.
You're an employee.
I'll be right back.
Okay, cool. What days you want on the schedule next week?
Oh, I quit.
What?
Yeah. You can keep the chips too. Thank you.
Just to use the bathroom?